Alright guys, so good day, Isaiah here. So I just want to show you a basic explanation or tutorial video on how to basically place a trade on TraderX Mastery or TradeLocker, right? So I just want to start with showing you how certain things is. On the right hand side there you'll see a stand numbers in a little bar. That basically current price goal at, right? So we're basically seeing is 33.18, right? That basically 3,318 US at the current price of gold, right? On the left hand side now you'll see our next bar as well too, right? You mightn't see the bar, but if you look at the bottom there is what you see in data range. You will have a little arrow on the left hand side. You mightn't see that bar, but you just click the arrow and the bar will pop out, right? So what this bar is shows different, it shows what different tools is, right? So if you want to calculate your long positions, your short positions, these things here, trend lines to mark up your support and resistance zone and so forth, right? To measure your candles, to see how much volume within the candle, all these different tools. But I'm not getting to all right now, right? So I just want to show an example on how to place a trade. This is stop loss, etc. Right? So at the bottom bar you will see basically two icons, sell and buy, right? The orange and the green logo, right? As you know, you're relatively bullish on gold, so you hear more or less gold buys and gold sell, right? So for this example, I just now use a gold sell as an example due to the direction in the market. Alright, again a reversal here. Alright, so I'll just utilize basically my example of a gold buy, right? Since you're relatively bullish on buy, so I just send a signal on the gold buys. What you will get basically the parameters enter your stop loss, you take profit, everything, etc. Right? So once you say gold buys, you click in this little green bar here at the bottom right here and click in buy, right? You'll see the trade open up like that. The parameters you are setting out to place a stop loss is what you're seeing to the top. You'll see trades here now. You just click in this here now, pressing this arrow and click in edit. Once you reach edit here now, on the bottom right you'll see our next arrow next to buy. You're just pressing that there and this square box will come up, right? Click on stop loss. So once you reach here now, you'll just see the parameters. You'll just enter the parameters we send. So I just see send you 3310. You enter 3310 here. You'll see confirm and the stop loss trade. The stop loss will open on the trade, right? So at times you might hear he say move stop loss to break even. I'm not sure that's basically look right. So you just click on the stop loss, it will come up like this and you're dragging it to your entry on the entry line.